So in this video, I want to show you how you can buy real TikTok followers. I did that and I gained 140 followers today. And TikTok even supports this method. So it's not illegal, so to say. It's no bot traffic and these are real TikTok followers. And I want to show you how in this video. So let's dive in. And when we Google buy TikTok followers, then we find a lot of bots. Purchase TikTok followers, trusted by 1,000 or 10,000 users, buy TikTok followers, fast delivery and so on. But there's also TikTok saying use promote to grow your TikTok audience. And when we click on it, we will land on a blog post from TikTok where they explain in detail how to do it. And it's real. You can use TikTok ads to buy real followers. And I did that and I will show you in this video how you can do it. First, we need to sign up for the TikTok Ads Manager. Therefore, you will find a link down in the video description and it's a partner link, and TikTok is currently offering up to 6,000 USD in ad credits. So that's a really nice offer to get started. And as you can see, it already starts at 200 USD. So when you spend 200 USD on the platform, TikTok will top this up with another 200 USD. So that's really nice. The only bummer is that you have to spend it in the first 30 days, but I will show you how to get started really fast. So that's good. And yeah, just click on the link down in the video description. As said, it's a partner link and you will get this offer via my partner link. Then you can sign up via email, password. Then you have to accept the terms and conditions. And in the next step, you can give it some infos about your business, your phone number, your website URL, and then continue and sign up for TikTok Ads Manager. And once you have done this, you will land on this screen. This is my TikTok Ads Manager. And I will show you at the end of the video a sneak peek in my campaigns, what I am paying per follower. But for now, I will want to show you how you can do it. So first, you have your TikTok account, and I would recommend that you post at least 10, 15 different videos, and then you see which videos perform the best. And then you come in here and go on community interaction. And because we want to gain more follower, get more people to follow your TikTok account, and they will also like the content, they will comment the content and maybe even share the content. So community interaction is the advertising objective we want to go for. Then you can give it a name and hit continue. And now we are on the ad group level, and here we can set the placement. So we want TikTok, and down here we can set the targeting. And this is really important. So you can leave it broad as TikTok recommends here, but you can also just type in your location and the age group you want to target. Maybe you're mainly focused on male or female. And down here you can also choose interest and behavior. So for example, if you're posting a lot of content about gym and fitness, then you can just put here gym or maybe fitness. It's a better word for it. So health and fitness interest. And then you can choose those people, sports, exercise and fitness, physical fitness. And up here you see the audience size. So we have 9.6 million people in our ad group minimum and up to 11.7 million people. So I think that's fairly big enough for our purpose. But I also have seen other tutorials where they show you the same method and they type in different locations, because the United States or Germany or Spain or France or Canada, these are kind of prime locations and followers are kind of expensive here. So if you just want to get quick followers, then I would leave the location empty, because then TikTok will find you followers from all over the world. Then you can just choose your language, for example, English, or mine is German. And so this might get you even cheaper followers. But I think since we want to do it the real way and we want to gain real followers, I do want people in my location, which is Germany, and I want them to speak German, because then if I post another video, they will understand it and they will like it, share it and comment it. So this will help. So, but if you just want to get over 5,000 followers to join the affiliate program from TikTok, then you can just leave the location empty and maybe also the language, and maybe you don't even speak in your video, because then everyone understands it and you get a lot of followers. But I do want people in my country here and speaking my language, because I want to post more content about it. And yeah, down here you can choose your budget. As said, I'm in Germany, so we are in euro, but you can also just put in $20. You do need to spend over $20, because if you go lower than that, TikTok gives you an error message. So I need to spend 20 euros at least. But now we just need to give it one more thing here, the cost cap. So what do we want to pay per follower? So I am happy with 50 cents per follower, because then I get good followers for my account. And now you can hit continue. And this brings us to the very last step, the ad level. And here you can give your ad a name, for example, video 1, and then you can choose a video from your account. I already connected my account to TikTok. If you haven't done so, you can do this at this point, or you can always go here under user, then user settings, and then you can connect your TikTok account here. Therefore, you just go on link TikTok account, and then you can type in your email address and send yourself a 2-factor code via email. Then you copy paste that in, and then you just pretty much have to accept it, and then your account is connected. But since I already done that, my account is connected here, then I can just scroll down, click on TikTok post to choose one of my videos here. So these are all the videos which are currently live on my TikTok profile, and then I can just go ahead and choose maybe these 2 videos and hit continue, and then it will bring me to the post section here where I can see the video. I can't change the text because this comes from the video, but I can add interactive add-ons if I want, like a voting sticker or countdown sticker, but I don't really need that right now, so I'm good. Then I can just hit publish all, and now TikTok will put this video of mine into my TikTok campaign and will promote it. And I also have the second video here which I selected, so when I hit publish, both of the videos will be in my campaign for more community interactions. And when you hit publish the first time, on the next step you need to enter your credit card information or your PayPal, and then TikTok can deduct the money from your account. So but since I have already done this before this video, I can show you this on my campaigns here. So I just exit this here, and then here you can see this is my current campaign, community interactions, and I already spent 53 euros, which is currently $60 roughly. And I reached over 2,000 people here already. And when I click on community interactions, it will bring me to the ad group level. And here I can see my bid of 50 cents. And then I can see what I paid per follower. So I gained 125 followers via this one campaign, and I paid 43 cents per follower. To be fair, I think it's kind of expensive because I just tested 2 videos, but you need to test more videos, and maybe your audience need to be broader and broader, because my videos were about TikTok ads and not many people are interested in TikTok ads. So if you're doing, I don't know, fitness and health content, or if you're doing meal prep content, for example, then you will of course get lower cost per follower. And if you just want to get followers, as said, just leave the language and the country option open, and at best don't speak in your video, because then TikTok will find you followers worldwide. And I've seen people spending $100 and they gained over 20,000 followers. So it can be really cheap if you're not based in Germany or in the United States, where it is more expensive to target certain people. And if I click on the community interaction, then it brings me to the ad level. And here you can see the 2 videos which I have promoted. And you already see quite a difference. So here I spent 37 cents and here I spent 43 cents. So it highly depends on the video. And if I now upload 10 different videos, I'm pretty sure I will get it as low as 20 cents per follower. And then it's already quite a nice deal, because 20 cents per follower. So I pay 20 euros or $20, and then I get 100 followers. If I spend 200 euros, then I will get 1,000 followers. So that's quite nice, I think, to get real followers. And last but not least, I can show it to you on my TikTok account. So this is my TikTok account, and here you can see the followers, and here you can see the 2 videos which I have promoted. So this has roughly 30,000 views and this has 31,000 views. So, and all the others are quite low. So 300 views, 2,000 views, 1,000 views. So that's quite different from these 2 videos. So you can really tell that I have promoted these 2 in my ads. And yeah, this is how you can promote your TikTok videos and gain real follower from TikTok. These are not bots, they are not fake. And with the coupon code down in the video description, TikTok is also sponsoring you with this mission. And yeah, just click on it, sign up for the TikTok Ads Manager, and then you can try it out. And if you want to learn more about TikTok ads, you will also find a link to my new TikTok course in the video description, where I will explain you everything step by step. And it's over 1 hour long, so there are way more details in there. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down here. And if you're down there, also a like, and see you in the next video.